What color is that, Avery?
Blue.
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 That was blue. Are you coloring a pretty picture? More, huh?
Stop.
Avery, do you like coloring? Do you like coloring, Avery? Avery, do you like to color?
Yeah.
It's one of your favorite things. Did you find those?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are your pretty pictures at?
Blue.
Are these your pretty pictures? Wow, you have been busy over here.
Mommy. Abby.
Oh, are you saying hi to Abby?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Can you point to your pictures? Show Abby. Show Abby your pictures. Say, look, Abby. Can you say, look?
Look.
Yeah.
Look. Look.
There's green, yeah.
Googie. Googie. Googie.
No, that looks like something you spilled on the table. Not a cookie.
Googie.
Yeah. You want a cookie?
Yeah.
Not right now. You can have one later.
Bye.
Is Bentley outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else is outside, Avery?
Bye.
Bunnies, yeah. Oh, off the table. Avery, you're gonna fall. Okay.
Bye.
What?
Cookie.
No, that's not a cookie, honey. What else do you see outside?
Bye.
Bunnies, yeah.
Bye.
What's up on the hill?
Bye.
Do you see horsies?
Oh.
Yeah, there's a horse.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oops. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Abby.
Say, I love you.
Abby.
Can you say I love you?
Abby.
Yes, Abby's going to see this. Can you say I love you?
Oh, no.
Nice try.